How to install a 12908 Venmar motor assembly? 1. Turn off and unplug the unit. 2. Identify the damper rod that is connected to the damper motor. Please notice the design of the rod connecting head. Take notice of the damper motor bracket. You will not have to remove the damper rod that is connected to the defected motor assembly. 3. Take a flathead screwdriver and gently position the screwdriver in between the slot of the damper bracket. Using medium force, push the rod head away from the bracket. 4. Unplug both motor connectors away from the motor power supply. 5. Remove the core filter. First, remove the core filter metal bracket. This is achieved by simply sliding the bracket out. Set bracket aside. To remove the core filter, simply slide the filter towards you. Set core filter aside. 6. Removing the retaining screws to the defected motor assembly. Unscrew the leading top screw that is connected to the unit. Side note: once the motor is pulled out, go ahead and remove the brackets that are left on the defected motor. You will have to attach these brackets to the new motor. Unscrew the retaining bracket from the back of the unit. Last but not least, partially unscrew the upper retaining bracket screw. It's at this stage, you may choose to support the defected motor assembly from premature departure from the unit casing. 7. Pull disinfected motor straight out. Remember that the upper retaining screw is still connected to the bracket. You're just sliding the motor forward so that the screw is free to disconnect from the bracket. 8. Set power cord aside from the defected motor assembly. 9. Pick up and set aside defected motor assembly. 10. Open up new 12908 motor assembly and remove motor from packaging material. 11. Bring new motor assembly over to the empty shell of the HRV unit. Before connecting the new motor assembly, be sure to take the power supply cord and rest it on the upper casing of the motor assembly. Wrap the cord around the support of the motor unit. You want both the unit power supply cord and the motor supply cord to be facing each other. 12. Reattach the motor assembly by first aligning up the upper bracket to the screw. Slide the bracket into the screw slot. Ensure that the motor lip side is secured to the side of the HRV unit. Starting with the back bracket, begin to reattach the motor assembly with retaining screws. Moving forward, reattach retaining screw to forward bracket. Moving to the upper forward bracket, begin to fasten down retaining screw. Attach power supply connectors. You should use medium force to connect receptacles. 14. Reattach the damper rod to the damper motor bracket. Do this by sliding the rod back, and then applying medium pressure to the rod as you push forward. 15. Slide back core filter into unit. Use the tracks to help you guide the filter into place. 16. Replace metal bracket. Metal bracket slides in on the lower right down position. Use medium force to slide in bracket. 17. Replace air filters back into the unit. If you don't remember filter positions, please watch our How to Install Air Filter video on an HRV unit. This concludes our feature presentation on how to install a 12908 motor in your Venmar HRV unit. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. We also ask that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we have many product videos and how to do videos on our channel. We thank you for watching and for your business.